Students, today we are going to see section formula. Now to see the section formula, let us consider the segment AB. Now this segment AB we are going to divide into segments. Okay, for that we will consider a point P. So we will consider that this point P divide this segment AB into two sections, AP and PB. Now suppose the coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and the coordinates of point B are x2, y2. Now this point P divide this segment AB in the ratio m:n and let the coordinates of point P be x and y. Now to find the coordinates of the point P which divide this segment AB in the ratio m:n, we use the section formula. Now how we write the section formula? That is P is xy is equivalent to, we are going to find the coordinates of point P by using the section formula. Now how to write that section formula, that we are going to see. So m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n and m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So this is the section formula. Once again just see, point P divide this segment AB in the ratio m:n and we are going to find the coordinates of point P by using the section formula. And how to write the section formula? That is P is xy is equivalent to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus n y1 upon m plus 1. So this is called the section formula. In short, we also write or. The x coordinate of point P gives this part, that is m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, and the y coordinate of point P gives this part, that is my2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Either we can use directly this formula or separately we can find the x and y coordinate of point P. Thank you. Next, midpoint formula. Now for midpoint formula again we will consider the same segment, that is segment AB. A's coordinates are x1, y1 and B's coordinates are x2, y2. Now we will consider one point P which is exactly at the center of segment AB. Now P is the midpoint of segment AB. Let the coordinates of point P be xy and this point P divide this segment in the ratio m:n. Here, as P is the midpoint of segment AB, it means this segment AP and segment PB both are equal. That is, the length AP and length PB are equal. It means m is equal to n. In this case, when P is a midpoint of segment AB or any segment, we use the midpoint formula to find the coordinates of that midpoint. Now how we write that formula? Just we will see, that is P xy is equivalent to x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is the midpoint formula. As m and n, they are equal, so directly we write P is xy is equivalent to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, and this formula is called as a midpoint formula. Now when to use this midpoint formula? When P is a midpoint of segment AB. Okay. Also we write, that is, or x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So here also directly we can use this formula, or separately we can find the value of x and y. So that finding value of x and y is nothing but they are the coordinates of point P. Now the next formula, that is centroid formula. Here we consider the triangle ABC. Now P is the centroid. Now what is meant by centroid? When the three medians of a triangle intersect at a point, that point is called as a centroid. If we know the coordinates of point A, B and C, then we can find the coordinates of this point P by using the centroid formula. Now how to write that formula? Just see, P is xy, that is centroid. Point P is the centroid of triangle ABC. x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y coordinate gives y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. That is, this is the centroid formula to find the coordinates of the centroid. P is xy is equivalent to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Or separately also we can find, that is, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So students, here we have seen three formulas, that is section formula, midpoint formula and centered formula. So we are going to see some solved examples on these formulas in our next part.